Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Anil Gukreja from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. MCX crude has been trading with a ascending triangle formation. Prices have sustained at the resistance of 6,500, which is a crucial level to breach, and initiate a fresh bullish move. Prices have formed a shooting star formation at the resistance and have moved back, implying an intermediate bearish move. The support for crude oil should be around the level of 6200 and 6150, which is the 20 days EMA. The momentum indicator RSI has a negative crossover as it moves from the overbought zone to support the bearish move. Thus, we can use the sell on rise strategy for crude oil with a reversal above the level of 6500 and target the level of 6200. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.